Hello, how are you today?
I am doing well, thank you. How are you?
I am fine too. What are you doing these days?
These days, I'm learning English
That sounds interesting. Why do you want to learn English?
because English is an international language and it is very useful for communication.
That's true. How do you practice English every day?
I read simple books, watch English videos, and practice speaking.
Do you also practice translation from Hindi to English?
Yes, I do. It helps me understand sentences better.
Is learning English difficult for you?
Sometimes it is difficult, but regular practice makes it easier.
How much time do you spend practicing English daily?
I usually practice for about 1 hour every day.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, sometimes we try to talk in English to improve our speaking skills.
That's a very good idea. What is the most important thing to learn English quickly?
I think confidence and daily practice are the most important things.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot because it helps me learn new words and ideas.
Do you write in English as well?
Yes, I try to write small sentences and short paragraphs every day.
That's great. Writing also improves your vocabulary.
Yes, I agree. It helps me remember new words.
What do you usually do when you don't understand a word?
I check the meaning in a dictionary or search it online.
That's a smart way to learn. Do you watch English movies?
Yes, sometimes I watch English movies with subtitles.
Do subtitles help you understand better?
Yes, they help me learn pronunciation and sentence formation.
That's wonderful. Do you feel more confident now than before?
Yes, I feel more confident now because I practice every day.
Keep practicing and you will become fluent very soon.
Thank you for your motivation and support.